This quick video is about how to make a poll on Instagram, and this process will be same for both iPhone and Android phone. Actually, I'm going to show you the two ways. Okay, first way, just open your Instagram app and click this plus icon. Now switch this to story. Now click this AA option. Scroll down to the end. Yeah, this is. Tap this and edit the question. Just like that. And here add the option no, yes, just like that. You can edit this, then next. You can move like this. You can place wherever you wish. Then second way, click here and click this plus icon. Then tab reel or story. I tap reel. Then select the video or anything, post or anything. Then tab next. Then you can see this option stickers at the top. You can see this. Just click that. Then here you can see these two options, poll and quiz. You can select any of these. First I select poll. Then here you can ask a question, and here you can edit these options, or you can select the quiz option. Here ask the question and type the options. That's it. And this is how you can make an Instagram poll by using iPhone and Android phone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.